Seriously, all them mafia there. You know, watch yourself, you know, mafia in town. Let me know want 4 shots.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps were the facts and they sat with the bars.
Happy birthday, you put your hand in the doo-doo. Oh Lord, this me and the birthday boy chilling. You look extra thick.
Yeah, I'm gonna find the gym.
Real fatty. And I would, oh. This is so rich. Ata make my ata. Water day. Yeah, go find the something I want. Eh? But all of them scary. Oh God. So we're at the water park. I'm gonna go in this. Like it looks so scary, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You got to do what you got to do. And just say, I'm gonna do it. It's scary as hell, but it's fine. I'll be okay. It's scary? Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna talk to her from the reach because your girl has been busy like a bee, buzzing, but we'll just get like a time. I just reached in from the water park, and yeah, so overall here, like as it relates to like the parties and the park and all of that, it's really good, but like the rooms and stuff need more upgrading. That's why I'm not doing a room tour because I don't like it. So yeah, just need a little more upgrading in regards to the room and the food. Jesus Christ, I'm dead for hungry. I can't come back to my yard. I have to eat beer pizza. Guess I take me up, but I mean it's their culture. Maybe they come a Jamaica hotel and don't like it either. So I guess it's their culture and their food. Just like we have our culture and our food and what we're used to, so they're just used to this and it tastes good to them. But we're not used to it, so it's not gonna taste good to us. But yeah. But just there, I lie down. I'm not getting a good picture or nothing like that. Just have to call that a loss. But We're gonna go dining in the sky later, so hopefully that's nice. But the party last night did very nice. Like, I enjoyed myself. Only thing is I some Jamaican music and they just laugh. But them would understand it. But yeah. So yeah, then the sky is later. And I'm looking forward to that. Like, anytime nobody come to DR like for vacation, you can know because everybody go dining in the sky. So hopefully we enjoy it. I haven't heard any bad experience about it, but I'm just hope I can get one good picture later. God say I know. I don't know if it's my hair or what, but something just not add up. You see what I mean? Is a weak girl. I should have braided my ear. I should have followed my mind. But yeah, see you guys then. So we're going dinner in the sky now, and we're waiting on our ride. Should be at the 28th, and now it's almost at the 28th. So yeah.
Your lights on!
Yeah.
Turn your lights on! Turn your lights on!
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go outside. 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 I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Fine, oh, back at that. Watch your love for life.
I wear. Ooh. So we're waiting on our ride to come. It's gonna be a hot day. So yeah.
No, you make it for only wine and rum.
Oh, only wine and rum?
Yeah, 20 pass. Yes, very good. Oh, don't be there with
look, that's the invention for men and
Salud.
cleaner the skin, cleaner the invention, cleaner the sinus, the special, and the lady drink from one and the main drink from one.
Salud.
Everybody. Yes. So you want to buy souvenirs?
Nice.
I don't. You know why?
Or
Why? You know why? Vino. Viene, no, 3 pass. 32 years. Yeah, that's it for a long time. That's it for a long time. Look at that. That one, Dominican guy. Only in Dominican guy. That's different color. Like souvenir. That makes your family. Everything you like that, you the boss. You my boss. You could not make shopping that, I pack it. That's an opportunity today.
You have something to do with that?
I have price selling. Yeah, Dominican diamond.
Oh yeah.
Everything.
Bracelet selling.
Yeah.
How much?
You remember, you my color, you the boss. Jamaica, Dominica, same color. Chocolate. Yeah. Everything you put now in the shopping cart, I pack it. Okay?
Well, how much is it?
You couldn't price.
So what is the price of green?
No, you put now that I put you.
We just want one bracelet for her. Just a one bracelet.
One
I don't want
you
one.
the boss. Look at that, that's a real Dominican diamond. You the boss.
I'm the boss.
But that's a diet. You tell 75 each.
How much you
Well, in peso,
US dollars.
yeah, you only tell 45 each. I give you a call, you pay 35.
35 US dollars.
Yeah, look, that's it. Look at that. That's it. That's it. This is my brother. You play baseball?
Huh?
You play ball or basketball?
Yes.
My son play basketball.
Tell me why you're crying, now give me pain, yeah. Can you give me something I don't really feel? But you know that already. And I found you on the ground, get down. Now you're coming to my heart,
Listen up, something quick. Good morning, man. That's Bob. Another 2 guys paper. We'll see you guys. Today we go visit like the typical house. In the typical house, you will sell them a chocolate, opium, marijuana. You can take that free. After the typical house, we go to the cave, guys. The cave is 45 feet deep, 8 minutes. If you don't know how to swim, we don't recommend that you jump. After the cave, we go to Macau Beach. Macau Beach is so beautiful beach, but sometimes dangerous. If you go swim, don't go far away. After Macau Beach, we're coming back here, so that's the end. The ATVs and the don't bogey, those are automatic, just gas, brake, very easy to drive. But if you never drive it, don't do it because it's dangerous, okay? We needed the person who has experience to drive it. If you never drive it, don't do it. Everybody has to keep the line. Not do sisa, not stop for try go faster, not passing the shoulder, okay? All the ways one line. If your car broken down, don't worry, it's normal. You stay in the car behind us, the mechanic comment, they will help you. They give you another one if your car not work, okay? Guys, the bandana and sunglasses is really necessary because where we're going, the road have a lot of dusty and dirty water. We go countryside. Sometimes we have a pool, the cow sheds, donkey sheds, something like that. And then we recommend the bandana and sunglasses. If you don't have it with you, we sell them back there. This guy, the photographer, is really important. He take a picture. When we coming back here, you will see all of your picture here. If you want a reservation now, he make a better prices, okay? Guys, be careful your telephone, your camera, your wallet, because the company is not responsible if you lose it. You can take it, no problem, but don't lose it. If you want to leave it here, we have a locker here. You will pay just $5, okay? Guys, wherever we go, it's a lot of children around there. They say hi, you know, so if they give you some flour, later they want a money. It's not obligation, you give you nothing, okay? Just if you want to do. Guys, remember once again, in the cave, if you don't know how to swim, don't jump it because it's too deep. Macau Beach, don't go far. In the excursion, all the way is one line. Not crazy drive, okay? Thank you so much for your beautiful attention. Somebody have a question, you let me know, okay? If you need a bandana, if you don't have a bandana, you can get it there. 2 minutes, we're ready. We call you about name, hotel, and group, okay? Thank you so much. Take a seat back there.
Seriously, all them mafia there. You know, watch yourself, you know, mafia.
Sit down, friends.
There's a cigar for you.
Take a seat, everybody. Take a seat, please, everyone. Take a seat.
No smoke, no smoke.
Take a seat, everybody. Vamos a tomar asiento, familia. Pasan. Pasan, familia. Tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Good afternoon, family. Welcome to Dominican Typical House. My name is Benton. Here I'm gonna show you how you make the natural products. This is part of your tour, okay? Muy buenas tardes familia, más que bienvenido a la casa típica dominicana. Mi nombre es Benton. Acá vamos a dar una charla como hacemos algunos productos naturales, ¿ok? Good person. Can smell y pastel, please. Smell y pastel. El café familia cuando está así de rojo tan bueno podemos ponerlo secar por 2 semanas. Después de 2 semanas se cambian de color. On the vive sit on la même place. Take one of it, sit down, enjoy your things. Mama wanna come with me. If you want some, mama wanna come with me.
Oh, it's hot.
Igual como yo, eh. Mama wanna with me. Mama wanna try. Hola. Uno de cada uno, un café de chocolate. Uno de cada uno. Take one of each. One coffee, one tea, one chocolate.
No, Julie.
We bought already.
Muchas gracias, Magnet Teaching.
Wow. Guati bolo.
So where you trying to say? Sir, why you laughing for me? You laughing at me?
No. You're sure you like it bad. You like this. Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah.
Oh.
It's good.
Here I have to do this.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
I'm from
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
Hey.
Yay. Chocolate, nice.
Nice though. No, nothing else. How's that wet me? And me sit down.
Remember, the lake is deep, it's 25 feet. If you don't know how to swim, don't jump in the water, okay? I don't want to die.
Okay.
Yeah.
We won't jump.
Down, please, don't forget to see my son over there, Dominican Macy. This is your Macy.
You walk it in the car. You walk it in the chest. Get up there.
Don't worry for that.
Nobody. No. Yo, big man, keep that now.
No.
Yo.
No.
What happened?
Listen.
They going on no badness, no water. You in vacation, bro. You know,
Keep it, man.
you get black and black people. You know what I mean? What happened, bro?
People not rock from put them thing there.
Wow, man. Bomb,
Yeah,
Cloud.
wah.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know, bro, what happened?
Jamaica
No
not play
worry.
them thing there.
No worry, that's
All
right,
right,
bro.
thank you. So Olive.
Listen.
Yeah, man. Live up yourself.
When I come back, no focus on this for me, you know.
You do walk it in the cash.
No worry. Apple Pay, Cash App, Venmo, whatever you want.
Jamaica, come from.
You have Apple Pay.
Maguna Lizade. Emma.
You black people.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I know black people don't play that.
I like how you are.
Yeah, man. You know.
Keep it for me.
All right.
Keep the half for me for your ball.
Okay.
Like a Gucci.
Enough money for that.
Keep it there. How much you pay for that?
Enough money.
Gucci.
Yeah. How much you pay for Gucci?
Gucci money.
We're gonna jump.
Ada mese.
I'm getting this cake one.
Oh, they just climbed back up, I think. Come on, let's go there.
sir. But don't tell like a boss. Watch there. My phone dirty, my ear dirty, me dirty, the road dirty, everybody dirty. Watch me. Beach. No. We're at a beach. Yeah. Tourist. Why? I was mad dirty. But then I forgot that water go wash off. The wave them ever do. I just a box my stuff. Just a fling my left, right and center. Fling my all out. But I came out, the salt water catch my eyelash and to irritate my eye. And I know about that, I'm not going to drop out my eyelash. But so far, it has been great. Like the dirt bike experience, really fun. Yes, so if you guys ever decide to come at DR, you guys should definitely do dirt bike because it's mad fun. And it's like a tour, so you ride the bike and go to this place that I showed you guys where the man was telling us how to make coffee and all of that. And then we go to the water cave and then we go through some mud and then we come here. It's a vibe. It is a vibe! Keep that up on me. But yeah, let me show you guys the beach. So yeah, that is the beach. I'm gonna go dirty by myself again. The man them over here just in some grief. I walk up and down and I like another word. Who somebody can take my picture now? My picture need to take. Now. Right now. Mosquito bite me. Jesus Christ. More come on me hard. I want some curd goat and white rice with whole leaf of pepper. Cause the food up here, food that anger me. Me not anger food, the food that anger me. Horrible. Bad. Taste bad. More some KFC. I haven't got the chance to go to the KFC as it over here. And we're leaving tomorrow. So I don't know, that's how we're going. Hopefully when we're on our way to the airport we can try. Someone asked me for it and I gave it to them, so I'm walking barefoot. So when I do mean I'm a foot bottom. We're going to a jungle party. In the jungle out. I can't believe they both.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. When I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here.
So guys, I'm back, HOME. So the vlog ends here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time. I'm tired, I have nothing else to say. So until next time, peace out. Okay? And remember to share the video and make it friend them and your family them, and everybody subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Lilo_Trini, from my business page. Bye.
To say bye bye, yo.